Hey everyone, today I will show you how to get TikTok back after deleting the apps. So when I'm open my TikTok, then showing it to this message. So I'm provide solution. Don't skip my video. So close my TikTok, open my Safari. Okay, open my Safari browser and go to search option, search it to TikTok login. Click on to login. Okay, click on open TikTok. So look here, when I'm trying to open my TikTok, then showing it to this message, app not available. So I'm just provide solution and easily fix to problem. I hope you just follow my all process, then you get 100% solution. So click on to profile, click on, and then showing you to change country or region. But some audience comment my previous video, there are no change your country or region, so you just change one settings, then you get easily change country or region option. So open settings, click on to general, date and time. You just make sure disable this option and select time zone area without USA and UK, like I'm select Canada. So I'm select Canada time zone, then you can easily change your country or region. So open settings again, profile, media and purchase, view account. Okay, click on, you just select any country without USA and UK. So select Canada. Okay, you just copy all my address same to same and press on to next. Okay, now successfully changed my region. So look here, I am now still using USA Wi-Fi, so just change. So I'm use free VPN, search it to VPN, and I'm get free VPN. I'm already download, press on open, select. So I'm select Japan. So look here, now successfully connect VPN. Okay, and open App Store again, search it to TikTok. And I'm get finally TikTok in my App Store, but still now not get TikTok. You just turn on your airplane mode and after 5 seconds turn off airplane mode, or you just restart your phone and just try and apply this method. So look here, install processing. So I hope you just follow my 3 method step by step. I hope you get 100% solution, or if you have any question, let me know my comment box. Thank you.